What's the meaning of condign? Condign. Condign.
Condign. Condign. The word condign refers to something that is deserved or fitting, especially in terms of punishment or retribution. When a punishment is called condign, it means that it is just and appropriate for the crime committed. For example, if someone commits a serious crime, they might receive a condign punishment such as a long prison sentence. The term condign is often used in legal or political contexts to describe punishments that are seen as appropriate and fair. Overall, condign suggests a sense of justice or fairness in the consequences of someone's actions.